Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and fortunately in this device we do not have this separation between two different modes, so we can be on the photo mode and still change the options for the video one. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see right here we've got this video settings section and the resolution is at the top. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 5 different options from which we can choose. We've got 2 different options with the ratio 16:9. The only difference is in 4K and 1080p, which is recommended and is applied right now. We can also set full screen with 1080p, and the 1080p option with the ratio 21:9. We've got also 720p with 16:9 ratio also. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. Basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to set, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record videos. However, I highly recommend to use the recommended one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.